So hello student, welcome to Prem Classes of Mathematics YouTube my channel. My channel is subscribe and video likes, bell icon on press. It is started my English grammar in term formation. Term formation is important of point. Term formation of sentence. Term formation of sentence. Term formation is changing the form of sentence without changing. It is meaning a brief direction about transforming it, giving blow around to meaning and affirmative to negative. Rule number first. Only agon, merely, replaced by non-but person, nothing but, things not more than, not less than number. For example, only God can help us, not but God not help us. He has not ball, he is not nothing ball. He has only 10 rupees, he has not more than 10 rupees. Rule number second, must replaced by cannot but, cannot help, be plus ing. For example, we must obey our parents and cannot obey ours, but yet we not help being our parents. Started being videos. Information of definitions and transformation. Transformation of sentence. Transformation is changing the form of a sentence without changing. It is meaning a brief direction about transforming is below and adopting into meaning. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Rule number first. Only, long, merely, replaced by non but person, nothing but, things not more than or not less than number. For example, only God can help us, non but God can help us. Only God can help us, non but God can help us. He has only a ball. He has only a ball. He has nothing but a ball. Affirmative and negative, between and to change. He has nothing but a ball. He has only 10 rupees. He has not more than 10 rupees. Second rule, must replaced by cannot but, cannot plus be ing. For example, we must obey our parents. We cannot but obey our parents. We cannot help away in our parents. This video is important point. My channel is subscribe, video of like, bell icon and press started new video of notification also and below. That's rule number 3, both and replace not only but also. Example, but Deepak and Deepika were studying. Not only Deepak but also Deepika are were that. Rule number 4, and if joined two word replaced by not only but also. Example, he was obedient and gentle. He was not only obedient but also gentle. Rule number first. Everyone, everybody, person, every plus common noun all replaced by there is no a change word I but. For example, every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Started my video is complete sentence. Rule number 3, both and replace not only but also. But Deepika and Deepak and Deepika were extended, not only Deepak but also Deepika and were. Each transformation number rule and if joining to word. If joining to word replace to be not but also. Example for he was obedient and gentle. He was gentle, negative, affirmative. He was not only obedient but also gentle. Okay. Next rule, everyone, everybody, person. Everyone, everybody, person, every plus common noun and all replaced by there is no attached word but. For example, every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. There is no mother but loves her. Okay. Please my video like and channel subscribe, bell icon the press. Thank you so much.